Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to backup and restore only a specific set of documents using CB backup. In the next video, we will see how to do the same thing using CB backup MGR. Sometimes we may get a request from the application team that they need only certain set of documents from a bucket. Instead of restoring entire bucket, they need only a specific set of documents, just like the documents that are starting with a specific keyword. Here, we want to backup and restore the documents that are starting with a keyword rep. Before starting the backup, let's check how many documents exist in our bucket. I am checking from the travel sample bucket how many documents are there that are containing a keyword called rep. I have 3 documents with the keyword rep. We can also cross-check from the UI. You can see 3 documents with the keyword rep. So let me connect to the backup server and initiate the backup for this cluster 1. Copying this IP address, pasted in my backup command, cb backup utility we are using, and the directory where we want to store the backup, admin credentials, and the bucket name, -k, the caret symbol saying the document is starting with rep keyword. The star means we can have anything after rep, like rep 1, 2, 3, anything. Let me copy this command, executing it. You can see 3 documents backup completed. You can also see it has skipped these many documents starting with different keyword. Before restoring, let me create a bucket with name rep-bucket. We can also restore into an existing bucket, rep-bucket. I don't want any replicas. Conflict resolution type sequence number, add bucket. Source bucket is travel sample, destination bucket rep bucket. Once this restore is finished, we should be able to see 3 items here with the documents starting with rep keyword. You can see CB restore processed 3 documents. Let's verify from the UI. You can see 3 items. And you can see all the documents are starting with rep keyword. So this is all about how to restore only a specific set of documents from a bucket. Thanks for your time. See you in the next lecture.